All right, we've been at it hard pretty much all day, and we've been working on two cars at the same time, top to bottom, polishing jobs both, engine bays both, full top to bottom on everything. So I'm gonna just kind of mop up. Yeah, there's still some dampness for sure. That's to be expected, but it really, I'm not pulling up any dirt, and these seats were filthy. There was actually a urine container that tipped over and spilled everywhere. I've been driving this car in Florida at 85 degrees with the windows up as I get into the car. I'm wanting this thing clean, and I'm not seeing any dirt, any residue. Let's take a look under the tape. The tape was having a tough time. I had already done some cleaning. But if you can see, come up and over a little. Yeah, you can see this line of demarcation here. Look at the difference in that. Absolutely night and day. Little harder to see with the black, but man, look at the blue. From where I'm at in my angle, I don't know if that's going to come up, but Major, I'm just going to take you up here. The tape was having a tough time staying, and again, from my angle, absolutely nice job. I'm real happy with this. There's a lot of different ways you can use this. As I was researching the Tornador Black and the Velocity Vac, there were a lot of pros and cons. There are some people who use them a couple times and they sell them on eBay or give them to a detailer friend. But I am convinced I am going to like these products. It's going to increase my efficiency. I'm opening up a really big detailing studio with 8 cars inside and just really big area. I want everybody to be fast. I want everybody to be working. I want to be efficient, and I want to produce the highest quality end product that I can achieve for my clients. So anyway, we're wrapping up. The sun set down on the beach, which is about a mile and a half away is Reddington, and we're ready to go eat and have some drinks. So thanks for being with me. I'm going to make this a multi-part series. I'm going to show you a bunch of techniques, and we'll see you later in the video. Thanks a lot.